Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you whether you can make money with the TikTok Creator Rewards program in 2026, what are the requirements and the practical strategy that you can use to actually start earning from this program. So first of all, let's answer the main question. So I would say that absolutely you can make money with TikTok Creator Rewards program in 2026, but only if your content matches what the program rewards. So here you can just come here on this particular page, which is from support.tiktok.com. So once you land here on this page, you are going to see creator reward program. Here it is going to show you bunch of different sections like how does the creator reward program work and who is eligible for it. So TikTok mainly pays you for the original videos that are at least 1 minute long, and your earnings depend on the watch time and the retention and not just the random views. Now let's just quickly talk about the eligibility. So in some cases, you will need 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days, and your account should be eligible for it. Also, it must be available in your country. So if I talk about how you can actually start earning from it, so first of all, you need to basically start making the content, and the content should be in a way that naturally keeps people watching. So you can come here on TikTok. After that, you can go to the explore page. From the explore page, you are going to see bunch of different videos that people are creating in different genres. Like we have comedy, supports, then we have relationship shows, etc. So whichever category you are in whichever category you are going to create the videos, you just have to click on that particular category and see which of these videos are working. So here you just have to start creating the similar kind of content but in your own style. Just make sure that the hook in that particular video should come in the first 2 seconds, and the length of the video should be 1 minute long. Afterwards, you need to start posting these videos every single day on your profile, and make sure that you post at least 5 videos every single week. So this way you will be able to start making money with the TikTok Creator Rewards program in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.